Introducing the HR-705 hand-operated rivet tool. Its economical design is great for quick usage, repairs, and storage. In conjunction with the blind rivet, helping join two or more pieces of materials together, this tool will help complete your tasks and repairs around the house or workshop. The rivet tool features a two-jaw design, which is heat-treated and made of chrome steel. The die-cast housing is made of high-grade aluminum. The handles are heat-treated and made from forged carbon steel. Proferred's rivet tool weighs 1 pound and comes in at 10 inches. It also comes with various nose pieces at 2.4 millimeters, 3.2 millimeters, 4.0 millimeters, and 4.8 millimeters. It also includes a wrench conveniently stored between the handles. It can be used with aluminum, steel, or stainless steel rivets. Applications include HVAC systems, home appliances, furniture, and automotive, to name a few. For more information regarding the HR-705 or our other products, please contact your nearest distributor or visit us at www.brightonbest.com.